Today I am going to explain how to create digital signature using Aadhaar OTP. There are three types of doing digital signature. There is paperless, through biometric machine, and through OTP. Today I am going to explain how to do digital signature through Aadhaar OTP. Select this one, through Aadhaar OTP, and click apply digital signature. It will redirect to this page. You enter your mobile number which is registered to Aadhaar number. Enter your mail ID. And enter your PAN number. Click on next. It is redirected to Aadhaar entry page. Enter your Aadhaar number. Click I hereby state accept. Click on get OTP. You will receive a OTP to your registered mobile number. Enter OTP and click on submit. All the details is captured from the Aadhaar department. Crash verify once, click on next. Make sure that all the details are available, and for income tax usage PAN number is mandatory. And it will ask eKYC ID. Enter your mobile number as eKYC ID. Enter PIN. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the better, and again click on get OTP. You will receive one more OTP from the Capricorn department. Enter the OTP. Enter download key. It should be alphanumerical, PAN number, or anything, your name at something. I am putting ISBS at 1 2 3. If you have any remarks, enter your remarks. Click on I accept and click on submit. Once you submit, the order is successfully processed and you complete your video verification. Once it is redirected to this code page, click on start video and read this sentence. I, Rajesha HB, with video code 729, have applied for digital signature with Capricorn CA. Before submitting the video, make sure that you have read the sentence properly, because your name and video code should be proper as per the display in this page. Click on play video to cross verify. I, Rajesha HB, with video code 729, have applied for digital signature with Capricorn CA. Once audio video is proper, then click on submit to department. Once submitted to department, you go to your mail ID. Here you will be received two mail from the Capricorn department. One is for video uploaded. We already uploaded the video. Verify your email address. Come down and click here, verify your email. Then your email verification is completed. This is the simple steps. Once this is done, within 15 minutes the digital signature will be approved from the Capricorn department. Thank you for watching this video. This is Rajesh from Business Solution Private Limited.